Legends of Learning presents the Diplomacity game. This is a history game that makes learning about early foreign affairs fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, students journey back to the early years of American history to understand how the young nation shaped its foreign policy in a world dominated by European empires. Throughout various levels, the player interacts with presidents such as George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and James Monroe. Use the movement keys to navigate through each level. Explore the environment to collect items and paint platforms which represent key historical evidence. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.